We're moving. Woohoo! Goodbye, Key Largo. Feels good. It's been a long time coming. Feels really good to finally be walking to our boat. Chris fixed the leak on the port shaft. He replaced all the impellers in the engine, made sure everything was cooling, and we're ready to take off. Our first major challenge is to turn around our boat in this little canal. You're gonna hit the You're good here to turn. Chris never freaks out.
It's stressful. I'm not gonna lie.
And you don't get nervous.
I don't. It's stressful.
I was doing a good job, just trusting.
Well, there was only a couple feet of space on each side, and 5 feet maybe with us turning.
You started backing up real fast, though. I was like, dang, you're going really fast backwards.
Look, depth is working.
Everything, well, you can't see, but everything is working.
Once it was 7.7 feet. Can we jump off the boat?
So it's a little wavy today. No, you don't take yourself in the water.
Swimsuits are...
Remember, that's down.
Come on, Dolphin, come on!
Over there?
Yeah, he's right there. I want to see him jump. Come on, come on. Woo! Come on, little guy. Come on, come on.
He jumped on. Get it too.
Red, right, return. So we're going to go between the channel markers, keeping the red on the right because we're returning from the ocean.
Green on our left.
And then green on the left. We have to watch out for all the shallow spots, all the lobster pots. It's lobster season. There's been 100 million lobster pots out here.
There you go, Carter. Way to keep a lookout.
Yeah. Our next challenge is to avoid all the shallows and go under our first bridge.
I measured. We should have 5 to 7 feet of clearance on this, depending on the tide.
Did you account for the bimini?
I measured the top of the arch and then measured the stuff on top of the arch.
Okay.
You got 16.9. Should be good.
How tall are we?
Wait.
That's not okay. We're 20 feet high.
No, see the clearance down at the bottom, 24.
What does that say? Oh, that's the channel. Call those channels.
Gotcha. So, see, we're at 24.
Yes, I see that. Oh my gosh, way to make, I was like, throw this in reverse! Okay, Carter, are we gonna make it? Oh my, we're going under! We totally made it! Well, we're gonna be docking the boat for a while, making sure the boat runs and settles well. There's a whole procedure to that, and then we'll get in the truck and go back to the marina to pick up the Suburban. Then we'll go back to the condo to maybe get the cats.
Plantation Yacht Harbor.
Finally made it into Plantation Key Marina about 3 hours after we started our first cruise. Our first passage was a 3-hour, about 15-mile passage. Boat did great.
Oh my gosh. Stress relief.
I'm on like an adrenaline rush.
So we made it. We cleaned out, replaced both impellers and cleaned out both heat exchangers. Engines ran great. We took it, what did we figure, about 15 miles or so?
Oh no, about 20 miles.
Almost 20 miles?
Yeah.
From Key Largo Harbor Marina to Plantation
Key Marina.
Key Yacht Harbor Marina or something. So you can Google Maps it and see where we went.
We're staying, yeah.
Ran between 1,400 and 1,800 RPM on the engines the whole way.
They ran so well.
They really did. I have zero complaints. It was windy, so we had 3 to 4 foot seas. They were kind of coming from our rear and a little bit from the port side. So we were kind of getting a little bit of the washing machine roll going. 3 or 4 times it really heeled over pretty good.
Scared us when all the water bottles clinked and clashed and fell down.
But came into dock.
Windy.
It was windy. I knew what I was trying to do, but I was trying to do all at idle, and that was my problem. I actually had to hit reverse and throttle up the port engine to get it to swing my rear end back around, because we grabbed the starboard front cleat, and then my rear end started to swing with the wind.
And it swung. That wind took it.
So I had to give it a good throttle to get it pulled back around, but we did. The guys at the marina were great helping us. Got it all tied off. One of the neighbor boats came and helped. We got it. No major problems. Everything worked. We need to tighten up one of the shaft seals a little bit, which is not a problem. And then my next task is air conditioning and Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Internet access, so Jolene can work.
So we'll let you know how Wi-Fi turns out, and we'll let you know if we have to sleep on the boat without AC or not. But
we get tonight at the condo, so we're going to sleep at the condo.
Take one last really nice, hot, long shower.
Yep.
Get the cats, everything,
Yep.
and then
tomorrow morning or mid-morning, we're going to head down there with everything we got and go.
that's it. This is our last and final move forever. We have the cats, all the final junk and food from our condo, and finally we're going to the boat today. All right, Cheddar. This is it. Walk into the boat. Just unloaded the last of the car, the cats, the kids. This is my long walk. We're at the second to the last spot on the dock. It's moving. What do you think of that? Tiger?
What you think, bud?
Organizing my bed.
Nice.